What's up, beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome, sis. How are you doing? Compliment of the season, my loves. In today's video, I tried something. I tried using lavender balls alone on my hair, and I actually enjoyed using it, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I use it. So please, let's get started. The first thing we need is lavender bud itself, and it's very simple. All you need is lavender bud and water. For clarity, lavender buds is actually lavender flower, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then I'm going to be adding 200 ml worth of water for 1 tablespoon of lavender bud. Only 200 ml of water, because I also want it to be potent. Now I'm going to just stir it for just a little, cover it and let it sit for 4 hours and above. To be honest, I can't remember how long I left mine, but I'm sure it sat for up to 4 hours and above. Okay, and then after that I strained mine. And once you strain it, you're going to know that it has infused properly when the bud itself is looking like gray color, something like that. So then transfer to a spray bottle, and just like that, your lavender tea, lavender hairspray or skin spray, whatever, is ready. And let me tell you, sis, this smells so amazing. Alright guys, while I'm applying this to my hair, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the benefits that I found online and why I love this hairspray. Okay, so this is how my hair was looking. My hair is not actually super dry, but on this day I wanted to comb my hair and I didn't just want to use plain water. I decided to infuse my water with herbs. You know, it's better to infuse the water with herbs than to use ordinary water. I feel if you have time, you should just do it. That's what I've been doing lately. Okay, and I choose to use lavender buds because why not? I have it in my cabinet, and I was so glad that I did, because the first thing that stood out for me in using this treatment was the smell. Oh my god, lavender is actually known for its aromatherapeutic feeling or therapeutic use, but do you know that it is also excellent for the hair? Lavender itself contains anti-inflammatory. Do you know what that means? It means that it can cure itchy scalp. If you're having itchiness, you're having dandruff, if you're having skin scalp related issues, lavender is not only known for its beauty, it is also known for its healing properties. So if you're having any scalp related issues, you should try this on your hair because of its softening effect, its softening property. I'm not sure it's going to dry out your hair if you should use it frequently. Don't quote me on that. I just feel like it won't dry out your hair like clove would. Alright, so you can give it a try. Now, spraying lavender on the hair can make the hair feel softer, make it more hydrated. It restores moisture and promotes shine on a very dull hair. So if you feel like your hair is dull, why not try using lavender on your hair? Use it to damp your hair, and then follow up with your leave-in conditioner and your oil. Just follow up with your normal moisturizing routine, and you will see your hair looking shinier. Bring dull hair back to life. We all want a shiny looking natural hair, right? So this is some of the benefits that lavender can offer to the hair. Aside its calming and soothing property, it can also give you all these benefits. Okay, another thing that stood out for me was how soft it made my hair feel immediately. Like immediately I applied it on my hair felt so soft. I could run my finger through my hair easily. That was another thing that stood out for me. Okay, so to be fair, my hair was not actually dry like I said earlier. It was not super dried, but I can still comb it like that without putting moisture, some sort of moisture in it. So that was why I decided to use lavender. I decided to use infused water instead of just plain water, right? And one thing that I noticed immediately I sprayed lavender on my scalp was how softening it feels. However, lavender is water. Lavender infused water is water, right? Which means it can evaporate no matter how softening and whatever it makes your hair feel. If you don't coat it, if you don't follow up with your normal moisturizing routine, it is going to evaporate and leaving your hair dry, right? That is why anytime that you use any tea on your hair, please endeavor that you follow up with your moisturizing routine, which is applying your leave-in conditioner, your hair cream, and then sealing in with some sort of oil or butter. All right. Another thing was how my husband complimented. He was like, "Your hair smells so nice." Unlike before, when he would be like, "Your hair is smelling like onions," this time around he actually said, "Your hair smells so nice." So if you want your hair to look more hydrated, more shinier, plus smells beautifully nice, I think that you should try using lavender on your hair. Alright guys, so for storage, you can store this lavender hairspray in your fridge. Now, I don't know how long it will stay. It will last in the fridge. Like I said, I've not used it before. This is like my first time using it alone. Although I've used it together with cloves, but this is my first time using it on its own. So I would advise that you constantly check the hairspray each time before you use it. Open it up and smell it. If you notice any foul smell, anything that feels off at all, just discard it. It's not worth using spoiled ingredients on our natural hair. Okay. Alright my loves, if you enjoyed this video, please give your girl a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more of this type of video. You guys, you can also drop on the comments and tell me what herbs or Ayurvedic herb that you want me to try next. Alright, I'll see you all in my next video. Ciao.